is SlabsComics. It is a person that I follow on Instagram, and they just did a run of a key box. I already opened this box because I know that there is a t-shirt and a sticker in here that I ordered separately from the box. But they did a mystery box from SlabsComics. I'll put all the information down below. And I love this little sticker that it came with. SlabsComics. I've been putting those on like my water bottles and stuff that I have here. I love stickers. I've been collecting them as I travel, and I like stickers. And they have a really cool shirt. This is the shirt that came with it. Well, not came with it. I paid for this separately. All right, so this box is supposed to have some keys in it. And like I said before, I'm totally still new to all of this. So every book that I get in a box is a total complete surprise to me. And I'm still learning it all. And this is what the inside looks like. And I like these especially for not knowing much about all the books and still just kind of collecting and learning. They come with these little pieces of paper that explain everything to you, but I'm not going to look at the other side because it's going to tell you about each book. Which I think is pretty cool because, like I said, when you don't really know a whole lot about it, it's nice when they provide the information for you. It's the only way I'm going to learn. So let's see, get some of this tape off. And I've been traveling for like 10 days. So I got home to a lot of boxes, which is really exciting, but I have a lot to catch up with. So let's see what we have. All right, this first book is the Uncanny X-Men 210. All right, and here we go. Another X-Men 168. I like those covers. Ooh, What If Avengers. I love this What If series. I like the idea of the what ifs. What if Avengers had fought evil during the 1950s. Pretty cool cover. I like that. And let's see, this one is Fantastic Four. Behold a Distant Star. It's Fantastic Four 37. Sweet. All right, and let's see what the card says. So we have What If Avengers number 9 and the value of $4. We have the X-Men 168, first appearance of Madeline Pryor with a $10 value. That's a pretty cool cover. And we have the X-Men 210, which is the first appearance of Martyrs. I murdered that. And this Fantastic Four is actually as a $50 value. And it is Jack Kirby and Stan Lee's work. So that's pretty awesome. I'm excited about this. Yes. So, SlabsComics, check them out. I'll put their information at the bottom of the video. And you can get yourself a sticker and a t-shirt also. Thank you, SlabsComics.